never die, never die, never die. Old soldiers never die, they just fade away. On the 7th of December, in the year of 41, the free world met disaster at the hands of the rising sun. From the bastions of Corregidor, Pearl Harbor, and Bataan came the sound of war and fury and the death march of free man. Oh, soldiers never die, never die, never die. Oh, soldiers never die.